Good morning, children. This is Venugopal sir for Little Hearts Publications with Social Studies, Book 5 and Lesson 5, Greenland, the land of ice and snow. In fact, Greenland is an island, the largest island on the Earth's surface. It is also called the land of midnight sun because sometimes the sun rises in the midnight at 12 o'clock in the night. 12 o'clock in the night is known as midnight. What is an island? We already discussed it. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all its four sides. Where is Greenland located? In the Arctic Ocean. Greenland is located in the Arctic Ocean, which is the North Pole, near the North Pole. Antarctic Ocean is the southern, near to the southern pole. What is the largest island in the world? Of course, the Greenland island only is the largest island. What do you know about the climatic conditions in Greenland? Who are called Eskimos? Which island is called the land of the midnight sun? These are the points of discussion in this lesson. Greenland, the land of ice and snow. Okay, children, let us go into the details now. Location. Where is Greenland located? Greenland is an island located in the Arctic Ocean. The water mass on the earth is divided into 5 oceans. Already we learned in the previous lessons. One of them is Arctic Ocean. And this island, Greenland island, is located in the Arctic Ocean. It lies between the North Atlantic Ocean and the Polar Sea. North Atlantic Ocean and the Polar Sea. It lies between these regions. Northeast of Canada. You know, Canada is a country very close to the United States of America, which is located in the North American continent. To the northeast of Canada, between the North Atlantic Ocean and the Polar Sea, is this Greenland island located. It is very close to the North Pole with its northernmost point only a few hundred kilometers away from the North Pole. Already we told you, children, North Pole and South Pole are the two poles on which the Earth's axis rotates. And it is, this Greenland is so close to the North Pole with its northernmost point. Means northernmost point of the Greenland island is just a few hundred kilometers away from the North Pole, which is the coldest region in the world, along with the southern polar region. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Earlier I told you, what is the largest island in the world? Greenland is the largest island. What is its area? It is about 21,75,600 square kilometers in area and forms part of the tundra region. What is its area? You know, children, 21,75,600 square kilometers. And it forms part of the tundra region. It is an integral part of the Kingdom of Denmark. You know, Denmark capital city is, what is the capital city of Denmark? Children, do you know the capital city of Denmark? Copenhagen. So, this particular Greenland island is an integral part, means an inner part of the Kingdom of Denmark, and the capital city of Greenland island is Nuuk. N-U-U-K, Nuuk. The climate, let us see the climate of this region. As Greenland is located in the polar region near the North Pole, it has polar climate. What is polar region or polar climate? The regions which are very close to the poles, either southern pole or northern pole, they have extremely cold climate. Because this island is located very near to the polar region, almost near the North Pole, this region or this island, Greenland island, has got a polar climate. About 90% of the island here is covered with ice and snow. So this Greenland island, 90% of this island is covered with snow. Ice and snow, of course. Hence, it is very cold throughout the year because 90% of the land is always covered with either snow or ice. This region is always extremely cold throughout the year. The temperature ranges from minus 23 degrees centigrade to 5 degrees centigrade. What is the average temperature? Minus 23, sometimes it goes to minus 23 degrees centigrade to just 5 degrees centigrade. Whereas we receive 45 degrees centigrade sometimes the heat, but the maximum heat or temperature that maximum that reaches the island, Greenland island, is just 5 degrees centigrade. Sometimes it goes to minus 23 degrees centigrade. Minus 23 means less than 0. Cold winds reaching speeds of about 160 kilometers per hour frequently lash this island. You know, cold winds reaching speeds of 160 kilometers per hour. They blow across this Greenland island. Frequently they lash this island. They hit this island with 160 kilometers speed. Cold winds. Greenland has no rainfall at all. There is no rainfall. It has only 2 seasons, namely winter and summer. Winter extends for over 9 months and the remaining 3 months mild summers. During the summer season only, the maximum temperature that Greenland island reaches is just 5 degrees centigrade. So, 9 months in a year, the Greenland island experiences severely cold climate. The remaining 3 months it experiences mild summer, very low summer, not very hot summer, very cool summer. During winters, the sun does not appear for months together, making the winters long, dark and dreary. Dreary means dull. You know, children, sometimes during the winter season, the sun does not appear for months together. But in our country, you see, in our region, even during the winter season also, the sun appears. Brightly it shines. Whereas in Greenland island, the sun does not appear for months during the winter season. So, making the winters long, the winters in this particular region long, dark and dreary. In summers, the sun shines even at midnight. You know, summer season, which reaches a maximum of 5 degrees centigrade, the sun shines even during the midnight also. That is why Greenland is called the land of the midnight sun. Do you see midnight, the sun in the midnight, children, here in our country? No. But in Greenland island, sometimes the sun shines even at midnight also. That's the reason why Greenland island is popularly known as the land of the midnight sun. The land here in these islands looks completely white because of ice and snow. Now, the land in our country, you see, everywhere it looks almost brown in color, whereas in Greenland island, the land appears white in color because of snow and ice, which covers 90% of the land area there. People use sunglasses to protect their eyes from the glare of the ice. The reflection, glare, the severe, very, very bright reflection from the ice that affects the eyes of the people, eyesight of the people. So, they wear sunglasses to protect their eyes from the glare of the ice. The ice forms very thick, sometimes as thick as 3 kilometers. See, the ice forms 3 kilometers thickness also sometimes. Can you imagine 3 kilometers thickness? Ice forms in the shape of hill sometimes. You know, this ice forms into sometimes in the form of a hill or mountain also. These ice hills melt and fall into the sea. Sometimes these ice hills only melt during the summer, mild summer season and fall into the sea. They float in the sea water, they are called icebergs. Such huge hills of ice which melt and fall into the sea, they are called icebergs. They float in the sea, they do not sink in the sea. They float in the sea water, they are called icebergs. Only 1/10 of an iceberg is visible above the sea level. 1/10 of the iceberg only is seen above the sea level. Remaining 90% will be under the sea level. So it is very difficult to see an iceberg. The remaining part keeps hidden under the sea. These icebergs are very dangerous for the ships traveling in the sea. Sometimes huge ships dash against these icebergs and they break into parts. You might have heard about the Titanic ship. So that Titanic ship hit an iceberg only in the Atlantic Ocean and drowns in the sea, sinks in the sea. Because 90% of the iceberg remains hidden under the sea, those icebergs are very dangerous for the ships traveling in the sea. Vegetation means the growth of plants or crops here. As it is mostly covered with ice and snow, there is no greenery in Greenland. Even though the title of the name of the island itself is Greenland, there is no greenery there in that. Why? Because the land is always covered with snow and ice, so it is always white in color, no greenery around. The extremely cold climate is not suitable for the growth of plants and trees. Because of these extremely cold weather conditions, cold climatic conditions, it's very difficult, no crops can be grown here. It's not suitable at all for the growth of plants or trees. During the short summers, small plants like mosses and lichens grow. Even during the mild summers, a few plants like mosses and lichens grow. Other than that, these are small plants only. Now, they do not grow very big. Besides grass, wildflowers, shrubs and bushes also grow in this island. Besides grass, means other than these grass plants like mosses and lichens, wildflowers, shrubs and bushes also grow. Berries, fruits and vegetables are also grown. Berry fruits and vegetables are also grown here. Let us go into the animal life. Now we talked about plant life in the island of Greenland Island. Animals which can withstand extreme cold weather only are found on this island, because this island experiences extremely cold climatic conditions. The animals which can survive these extremely cold conditions only can live in this land. These include polar bear, reindeer, musk ox and polar wolf. These are some of the animals that can be found in this polar region. One is polar bear, reindeer, another animal, and musk ox and polar wolf. These are the animals which can survive in these extremely cold climatic conditions. Strong dogs called huskies are used for pulling sledges. Sledge is a cart without wheels. People here use a cart without wheels which is called a sledge. And strong dogs which are called huskies are used to pull these carts, these sledges from one place to another place. Seals and whales are found along the coast, which are hunted by the people. Seal is an animal, and also whales are also largest mammals. They are also found along the coastal areas of the Greenland island, and these animals are hunted by the people for their meat. Let us go to the life of people. How is the life of people in this island? The extremely cold climatic conditions which prevail in Greenland make life very hard. It's very difficult for the people to survive these extremely cold conditions here in this region. Only about 60,000 people live in this island. Only 60,000. What is the total population of Greenland island? Just 60,000. The natives of this island are called Eskimos. So, the people of Greenland island are known as Eskimos. Hunting and fishing are the main occupations of the Eskimos. What are the main occupations of the people of Greenland island, children? Hunting and fishing. Means catching fish, hunting animals. The Eskimos are short in stature, very short, they do not grow longer. They just are very short in stature with broad shoulders, narrow black eyes, black hair, and brown skin. Their skin is always brown, their hair is black, their eyes are black, narrow black eyes, broad shoulders, but very short in stature. People use small boats known as kayak to go on into the sea. Sometimes, because the island is surrounded by water, the sea waters, to go into the sea, people use small boats. Those small boats are known as kayaks. They are usually made of the skin of the seal or walrus. These kayaks are made of the skin of the seal animal or the skin of the walrus animal. You can see the Eskimos picture there and also the sledges. And food eaten by the people of Greenland Island and also the clothes worn by the people, let us see. We have already learned that Greenland Island is not conducive for growing crops. Conducive means suitable. So, the land, the surface, the climate in the Greenland Island is not conducive, not suitable for growing crops. Hence, people here eat meat and fish for survival. There are no crops at all. The people eat only meat and fish to survive. The flesh of the seal is the staple food of the Eskimos. You know, seal animal, the flesh of the seal animal is the staple food, most important food of the Eskimos. Eskimos usually eat foods which produce heat and keep their bodies warm. Because that is a very extremely cold climatic condition prevailing there in that region, because this climate is very extremely cold in this region, people here, Eskimos, they eat food which contains, which brings a lot of heat and keep their bodies warm. To protect themselves from biting cold, people here wear heavy clothes made of animal fur. Big, thick clothes made of animal fur, these people wear here because the climate is extremely cold here in this region. Men and women usually wear a double set of trousers and coats. Double set, this much thickness, double they wear one over the other, both men and women. Trousers means pants. They also use hoods to cover their heads. You can see that there in the picture. To cover their heads, they make hoods also, covering their heads. Only eyes they do not cover, remaining everything they cover. And the eyes, they wear sunglasses to protect their eyes from the glare of the eyes. Women use bigger hoods to protect their bodies also, babies also. Bigger hoods are used by women to protect their babies. They carry their babies in those hoods. These people wear long leather shoes always. Very long leather shoes they wear. And those leather shoes are generally made of the skin of walrus or seal. Now, okay, food and clothes worn by Eskimos, the people of Greenland Island, we have learnt. Let us see how their houses are built. Houses of Eskimos. People in the island of Greenland used to live in houses made of huge ice blocks called igloos. You might have seen an igloo, children. The igloo is a house that is made up of huge ice blocks by the people of Eskimos. They build these houses of huge ice blocks. They are called igloos. Igloos are dome shaped with an entrance with a small hole in the center for smoke and air to go out. What are igloos? They are dome shaped. They are round shaped like this. And the ice blocks, there is a small hole here for the air to or smoke to go out. It is made of ice blocks with a small entrance in the middle. This is the entrance. This is entrance here. For the air or smoke to go out, there is a small hole here. These are all ice blocks. This is called an igloo, dome shaped, with an entrance with a small hole in the center for smoke and air to go out. Today, most of the people here live in wooden houses with all the modern facilities. In the olden days, Eskimos used to live like that in the houses made of ice blocks called igloos. Nowadays, people live in the houses made of wood with all the most modern facilities available there. Modern Greenland. Now, how Greenland island has developed over the years, has seen changes over the years. Let us see in the concluding part of this lesson. There has been a great deal of change in the life of the people in Greenland with the advancement of science and technology. Because of the advancement or improvement in the science and technological fields, there has been a very great change in the life of the people of Greenland. For example, the Eskimos have been coming into contact with the outside world. Now the Eskimos, the people of Greenland, are coming into contact with the people of the other parts of the world. They no longer depend on hunting. They began working in companies and factories. Now these people are just not depending for survival on fishing or hunting. The people start working in factories and companies also. Shipbuilding has developed as a new occupation of the people here. Because around their island there is only water, sea or ocean waters. It's important to build ships. So shipbuilding is a very important occupation of the people now there in Greenland island. Export of tinned fish and fur also has developed. Tinned fish kept in tin, and exporting fur, means animal skin, has also developed a lot in this region, in the modern Greenland island. Nuuk, the biggest tower with a population of about 11,000, is the capital city of Greenland. I told you already, children, the capital city of Greenland island is Nuuk, which has got just 11,000 population. It has been turned into a modern city with schools, colleges, hospitals, a modern airport, and a flourishing trade. Developing continuously now, Nuuk is turned into a modern city. There are colleges, schools, hospitals, modern airport also is there, and of course, business going on, flourishing. Schools, hospitals, libraries, modern means of communication and entertainment are developed at many other places. Not only in Nuuk, the capital city, in several islands of Greenland island, schools, hospitals, libraries, modern means of communication are developed and entertainment. Greenland became an integral part of Denmark in 1953. So Greenland has come under the administration of the Kingdom of Denmark in 1953. Greenland was given home rule in 1979. So 1979, Denmark gave independence to Greenland. Greenland is now called Kalalit Nunaat. That is a new name of Greenland. Kalalit Nunaat. In 1981, a self-government was given to Greenland. The people of Greenland elect their representatives to the Parliament of Denmark. So in 1981, a self-government was given to Greenland islands. The people of Greenland elect their representatives to the Parliament of Denmark. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of the lesson. We will be sending the key for the questions and the remaining exercises through WhatsApp. Thank you.